In this video, I'm going to show you how to take something like this and turn it into this. I will show you how to make your text pop with all the effects on Canva. So if you've ever made anything with text and it looks a little bit flat, here are all the tips to make your text pop. So let's start with our flat text. Here you can see that the text is kind of getting lost in the background. And one of the main reasons this happens is because your background might be too busy or maybe just too light. So you want a little bit of contrast so that your words don't get lost. So the first thing you should do is actually adjust the contrast and the darkness of your background image. So how we can do that is go into Edit and Adjust. Here you can choose your image and adjust the brightness. So usually a darker image works best. And if you have a busy background, you find something that is less busy and just have a solid color in the back, so it'll pop. So we'll adjust the brightness and also increase the contrast a bit. And now we can see that there's a difference already. And if there are any other adjacent images, you might want to do the same for that one. So it blends in, and there is step one. Now, if you want to pop even more, there are effects on text that you can add. So if you click on the text and you go to Effects, here is where you can choose what kind of style you want. You can give it an extra pop by adding the lift effect here, which I use very often. So you can see already this adds a little bit of shadows underneath, and you can adjust the intensity here. You can also use shadow, but there's just a lot more to play with. You can also change the color of things. This is a little bit more decorated than lift. So if you want something a little bit more subtle, you can always use lift. And shadows, you can change the directions, how far you want it, and the blur effect. So you can kind of make a glow effect like this, and the transparency of it. You can also do a hollow effect like this, and you can adjust the thickness. This is a little bit more fancy and decorated, but usually the more decorated and fancy it looks, it might be a bit too busy for the text to stand out. You can also do outline, and you can change the color here. Say if you want something dark, you can do that. Or sometimes if you have dark text, you can also add a white outline so that you can see the text. But for this purpose, we'll change it back to white, and we can use neon here to brighten it a bit, if this is your style. There's also glitch, where you can have different colors. And this is actually a little bit more busy for giving it a pop, but it does add some sort of style to it. And if you really want to highlight something, you can always add a background. So you can change the roundness of the highlight, how big it is, and the transparency, and you can also change the color here. But for today, I'm going to go subtle and use lift and increase the intensity a bit. And this already improves the image a lot from what it was before. And there you have it. Now your text stands out very clearly from the background as opposed to your previous one. So if we look at it side by side, you can see that this pops a lot more than your previous one. And this is mostly due to contrast. If you learned something today, please like my video and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.